Hi guys, today in this video I'll show you how to convert text to voice using CapCut in just one click. This is a video script. There is no audio. If I show the audio tab, you can find it. There is no audio here. Now I'll show you how to add text to audio in this script. I'm adding a text and I'm pasting my text script instead of the default text. And I'm going to the text to speech tab. There is a lot of speech. You can search anyone. I'm selecting the first one.
This is the development version of a Bangladeshi client's project. I had a requirement to show a button to go back to the top when scrolling 500px vertically.
After searching, click the Start Reading button. It is converted my text to voice. And I'm removing my text layer and playing the generated voice.
This is the development version of a Bangladeshi client's project. I had a requirement to show a button to go back to the top when scrolling 500px vertically.
If you want to get valuable content such as this one, don't forget to subscribe to the Brahman.